The best part that I can say, you are able to lose 8 kgs, right? You
Yeah, 8
started
kgs, yes.
8 kgs. Something
84,
odd.
84 from 84 to 76, yeah.
Yes,
84 to
84 to 76.
70,
Yes,
yeah.
76, and that by not cooking anything.
Yeah, exactly. So that's the best part, I think. That not by
So
cooking. So I had a lot of constraints, yeah. My constraints, I
yes,
had
yes,
so many constraints, and thanks to you, you guided me with all these constraints because it's not a
yes.
normal thing. I'm not leading a normal life, so I don't
So
have
that
time. I don't have kitchen, and I'm a vegetarian on top of it, and I'm a strict
yes,
vegetarian.
yes,
So it's
yes,
like,
yes, yes. That's
yeah,
also a thing that for people think that if they are vegetarian, then it is very difficult to manage the protein intake. But then also we added supplement protein powder and peanut butter and everything we did.
yeah, peanut oats, yeah, oats,
Oats,
peanut
peanut
butter, like
butter, and
use a
everything we
smoothie. I
did.
think that was a life savior that like we eat because before starting this diet, every day morning it's a big headache for me to what to have breakfast,
What to
like
have?
because
Right, right, right.
yeah, it's a big headache now. It's a very conveniently I don't even have to cook, so I just make my smoothie like whatever recipe you gave. I made that smoothie and just
Great,
have it.
great.
So it's
And how much
pretty.
time it took mostly to cook that recipe?
No,
Five,
hard
10 minutes?
nothing. Like it's, no. Just you have to put and mix it. I don't know
Just to
what time
mix
it
it.
takes. Like five,
Yes,
two, three,
exactly.
2, 3 minutes. It doesn't
Two,
take
three
any
minutes.
time. So that's what the best part. Because my lifestyle is again my lifestyle is like I lead a very hectic lifestyle where I don't have control over my time. So there are two things. So weekends I travel. I'm staying away from my family. So I have to travel every weekend to meet my family. So I have
Right,
only
right.
5 days to like 5 days
5
only I
days.
can exercise or do whatever I can. Other
Mm-hmm.
2 days, my 2 days completely goes in travel. So whole night travel I do to go and come.
Right,
So and
right.
second thing is that my job is such that it's anytime anyone can call me and like it's like that. So it's a pretty hectic.
Mm-hmm.
So this is so I can't have a very fixed kind of regime like. And my
Exactly.
office starts very early, 8 o'clock in the morning.
8
8 o'clock in
o'clock.
the morning, I have to be in office.
That's
Yeah,
true.
this was a
So going to
lifesaver
the
because
gym is also not a idea, as we have discussed earlier. Going to gym was
yeah.
also not possible in your case. So
Yeah,
the
because I don't know what time I come back also. Like, literally every day it's
exactly.
a new.
Mm-hmm.
Sometime it's 8, sometime it's 9. So I don't have a control over the time I come back. So gym is also not an. Because I'm so exhausted, I just like gym was not an option to go
Yes,
specifically
yes.
to a place.
True, true.
So
And
that's what I
people has
said.
a
I had so many constraints. So many constraints I have.
but then
I
also
can't
you
access the gym.
able to lose successfully
Yeah,
8 kgs.
yeah,
Why so?
yeah.
Because you are consistent. People have an idea
Yes.
that if I'm not going to gym, I won't be able to lose weight. But that's not the case. The case is that
Yeah.
if you are able to follow a structured diet, okay, everything is monitored, protein, fat, carbs, everything is monitored, then definitely you are going to get into a good body shape. Yes, the challenge will be there. If you are not going to the gym, the environment you won't get that. Those challenges will be there. But doing home workout means you can also get results. Right?
Yes, I think that's true, and it's very important what kind of home workout you do. So that I think that's pretty helpful. Like you shared not only the right but the home workout also because I don't exercise also. This I never exercised in my whole life. This is the first time
Yes,
I started
yes, yes.
exercising. I do yoga, but
Mm-hmm.
not like an exercise.
Strength
This is the
training you
first
have
time
never done.
no, nothing. So nothing. I've never done that. I used to do yoga
Right.
and I used to reduce weight, but not like it takes pretty long time. It takes
Mm-hmm.
to do what I've done in 3 months. It would take me close to a year.
And
Yeah.
after 12 weeks, do you feel that there is an increase in strength that you are lifting?
Yes. Yes. Everything is increasing. I'm more energetic actually.
Yes,
So
yes,
even though I
that's nice.
consume less
That's nice.
calories, but I'm very energetic. And second thing, I think one point I would like to mention, I had a very bad habit of not drinking water at all. So I used to drink just 1 or 2 glasses.
Nice.
After your this
That
thing,
will
it
increase.
was pretty helpful. I forced myself to drink 4 liters of water. Sleep is
Now you
again a
might be feeling
dicey.
thirsty. If you are not drinking water, you might feel thirsty
Yeah,
because your
it's a
body
habit
requires
now.
that. Yes,
It's a
yes,
habit
yes,
now.
yes, yes.
One thing is like it's not possible that I follow diet every day because as I said, I travel every day, every week to my family, and we have a
True.
family tradition of eating out every weekend. So
Mm-hmm.
your tip of like eating consciously helped me a lot, at least I would say.
Right, right,
Well, it's
right.
not possible to like always have a fixed diet. But at
That's
least
true.
whenever I go out, I eat consciously. So that was pretty helpful.
Yeah.
That tip
So
was pretty
every
good.
time you are going out, you are eating mindfully. That's required. Okay.
Yes.
And
Yeah.
I don't think this diet was completely restrictive diet that you can't eat this or that. Yes, you have certain food items, but there was no restriction in the diet, right?
Yeah. Yeah. No
You feel
restriction in
any
that. Yeah.
restriction in the diet?
No, no. I was very comfortable with that diet.
So I think that you have done a great job, and
Thanks.
the
Thanks
thing
for
that
you actually, because
yes. So I can say that this fitness journey is not a 2 months, 3 months, or 6 months journey. Okay, this is a lifelong journey. So now you have started your journey. Okay, that's the
sure.
thing, that you should start your journey in a proper way. That matters. If you have started a journey, definitely you will be in a better position after a year. Okay, and you have inculcated all the healthy habits in your lifestyle. That's required.
Sure.
Okay, and
Sure.
that's done. So the best
Yeah.
part I like to emphasize, and I like to say that you have successfully completed your 12 weeks without cooking anything. So
Yeah, definitely.
that's the best thing I can say. Okay,
Okay.
nice talking to
Thanks.
you. Have a
Same
good
here.
evening.
Thanks a lot.
Hello.
Thanks a lot for your support. Yeah. Thanks.
Always welcome. Bye. Take care.
Bye. Bye.